Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Shakeel Ahmed Khoja, Dean, School of Mathematics and Computer Science, SMCS at IBA Karachi. It's a pleasure to share the exciting opportunities awaiting you here. With a legacy of 40 years, SMCS offers world-class programs in mathematics, computer science, data science and related fields. We stand at the crossroads of theory and practical application, preparing you to meet the challenges of the digital age through rigorous academics and hands-on experience. Our expert faculty, engaged in research and industrial collaborations, ensure that our curriculum stays aligned with the latest advancements. At IBA, you will have access to state-of-the-art facilities, internships and networking opportunities to help you excel. Moreover, our school fosters an inclusive and collaborative culture. Whether you are considering graduate or postgraduate programs, I invite you to apply to our MS and PhD programs for the spring 2025. Join us at IBA Karachi and together we'll lay the foundation of your success. Thank you. We are ready to welcome you in spring 2025.